मैम, एक सवाल था आपके दिल्ली दौरे को लेकर। अब कुछ रिपोर्ट्स आ रही है कि जुलाई एंड पर आप दिल्ली जा सकती हैं।
देखिए, कोई 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 बात बोल देता है। जब जाएंगे हम, एक दफे तो पार्लियामेंट चला, हम जितने
फ्रेम
के
नहीं
बाद
तो
तो दिल्ली नहीं गया ना।
दीदी जस्ट
जीतने
प्लीज
के
एक
बाद
उदाहरण। वन सेकंड। हाँ हाँ चलो
पहले
चलो।
प्लीज मेरे को बोलने दीजिए। आप तो क्वेश्चन सवाल पूछा ना। मैं चुनाव का बाद नहीं गया, नहीं जा पाया, तो इसी के लिए क्यों, हमारे घर में कोविड था, तो हमको अभी कोविड सिचुएशन, अभी हमारा कोविड ऐसा नहीं है, सिचुएशन परिस्थिति एकदम ठीक ठाक है। इसी के लिए हम पार्लियामेंट चलने का टाइम एक दफे हम जाते हैं कि सबको सब मुलाकात होता है, अच्छा लगता है, पुराना दोस्त भी है, नया दोस्त भी है। तो इसी के लिए हम एक दफे जाएंगे। कब जाएंगे हम अभी नहीं सोचा, लेकिन हम जाने से हम सारे थोड़ा थोड़ा लीडर लोगों को भी मीट करेंगे। हम चाहते हैं अगर वक्त मिले तो प्रधानमंत्री का साथ, प्रेसिडेंट का साथ भी हम मुलाकात करेंगे कि हमारा चुनाव का बाद जाना है। इसी के लिए देन आई कैन मीट द अदर्स ऑल्सो। जिसको जिसको अपॉइंटमेंट मिलेगा हम देख लेंगे।
Didi, today on one side where Prime Minister Narendra Modi has praised UP government for the COVID situation, on the other hand he also praised for law and order situation in Uttar Pradesh. He said that there is a rule of law and if any criminal dares to keep an eye on women, they will not get any place to hide because of the rule of law in the state.
देखिए, I can tell you only one line reply. The speech is silver and the I think silence is golden. Prime Minister knows very well what is going on in UP. There is no rule of law. How many commission he sent there? He has sent there. How many human rights commission? How many tribal development commission? How many minority commission? How many ED? How many CBI? How many this other than human rights commission and all? How many commission went there? So many cases happened there. Unnao to Hathras to there are so many. Even journalists are not spared. They give a bad name for Bengal, though it is not at all true. The pre-poll matter, they say post-poll violence. Pre-poll violence, it was under election commission. It was not with us. And what they are using, maximum, this is pre-poll. That also we don't support. That time it was not with us. It was with the election commission, the law and order machinery. Please understand that. They are speaking just like a great liar. Sorry, liar is an unparliamentary word. They are misleading the people and distorting the facts. We will give our, because court, when court will give us the time, then we will file our affidavit and we will give our opinion to Honorable Court. But I am sorry that instead of giving the report to court, they have already leaked all the reports to Human Rights Commission to outside. They should have respect their court. How they can disrespect? Instead of hearing started, even the opposition, we are the government, we have to give our opinion also. This is the justice. And court gave us time also for that. I think they will give us time, or they have given the time for affidavit or something. So before that, how they leaked all the news, what they have submitted in the court, if it is not political vendetta, only to malign the people of Bengal because they have lost the election. That's why this is the political vendetta. This is about rule of law. UP, it is out of law, out of rule of law.